How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix layer shifting or warping in Bambu Studio. So the first thing that you want to do is to raise the bed temperature. So to do this, just head over to the filament setting. So in here, we have the click to edit preset. Click edit, scroll down, and you have the bed temperature right here. So it's going to be this one. Now you want to go ahead and increase the bed temperature by 5 Celsius. Right after, we then want to try adding a brim. So navigate through others, scroll down, and then you have the brim option, which is going to be simply, so in here, you simply want to select outer brim and set the width to 5 millimeters or 8 millimeters to clamp down your edges. So in my case, I'm using the default one right here. From there, we then want to lower down the initial fan. So once again, head over to the filament setting, click cooling, and then in here we have the settings for our fan. Ensure that the part cooling fan is 0% for the first 2 to 3 layers to stop rapid plastic shrinkage. And the last thing that you want to do is to clean the plate. So wash the textured or smooth PI plate with warm water and dish soap. Skin oil ruins adhesion, so you want to make sure to go ahead and clean that. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.